Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to minimize the screen on your iPhone 17 and use the one-handed mode. To use the one-handed mode, you don't have to really enable anything. You just have to have the main home screen, and here, near the bottom of your phone, scroll down like this. Now we are in the one-hand mode and minimize screen, as you can see. To disable this mode, tap this black area. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments down below. Goodbye!